So in this example, we've got a postcard on the screen with a QR code. This could really be any kind of digital touch point coming in, like animated display ads, an email, digital signage in a gym, anything where you can actually take a user to a specific link. So the first thing that I want to call out on this particular page is you can have a default landing page for a campaign, right? That is something that could deliver relevant content to someone looking at joint pain. We can show relevant actions and content that would match this and help the user. We can show actions and navigation that can be specific to this with tracking phone numbers. But as a company that for a lot of our clients, we're working with them with their CRM data, with our audience building. A lot of times we're able to do more than just a single landing page. We could have these postcards actually match to personas. So something like joint replacement, the data will tell us that there's a huge portion of people that have hip and knee replacements that are really just looking to keep their mobility, right? So that kind of persona of, I want to be able to grocery shop by myself and stay out of the wheelchair might need different kind of presentation of information than someone that might have, joint pain because they're super active and a weekend warrior. Their messaging might need to be different. So what I'm demoing here, I know it looks like it's different pages, but it's actually personalizing the whole site experience. These are things that when you can control the link, you can pass into the site, and it will tell the site that, hey, this is the persona, and these are the actions and language we should use for that persona for this session. We can do this without storing anything about, Andy Waldrop, the person or the user at this point. We're just saying, hey, let's make this experience a little bit more personalized for that weekend warrior versus, someone who might want the same procedure but be a different motivation type. A few things to call out here on this as we're walking through before we flip to the building side is everything on this site experience is has an ability to be responsive. So everything that would look great on a desktop is going to look great on a mobile phone. Things like calls to action here, like take a quick joint and pain assessment, can stick to the top of your browser, or on a mobile phone, stick to the bottom. And then you can see here we also have some content. So things like signs of knee pain and symptoms and causes, or knee replacement surgery. I'll click into the replacement surgery option here. And on this page experience, you'll see we've got medically reviewed content here. We have nice illustrations. But we're able to do a few things on this page that are unique. Number one is we've got this call to action here of like, hey, take a knee pain assessment. We're also pulling through relevant providers based on what the content of this page is. So because this page is talking about knee replacement, there's a simple just single tag on the back that can be applied, and it will automatically pull through the right providers that match that particular procedure to make this more helpful. But this particular knee pain assessment in this article can actually personalize to show different actions. So if I wanted to use this same article in, let's say, a Facebook ad and a marketing automation email, I could show different actions. The Facebook ad could show knee pain assessment. But if I knew someone, let's say, had already taken that assessment, I can just add something to the URL. So in this case, it's a simple URL parameter. It's HTJ equals 0, but this could be anything. It could say channel equals email, or it could be, emails equals step 2, or it could just be something obfuscated that, is not really obvious what it is. But things like this can actually change the experience. So I'm going to change that to 001. And this will actually change that action to go to kind of the next step in the journey. So here, now I'm showing, sign up for a joint pain seminar instead of, the default message. And this isn't just for this article, it's for the user as they browse the site. So any of the articles that would show the other action will now understand and say, I need to show the next step in the journey for this particular user. And these can all be set up with no coding required. It's just right in the interface.